Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a simple makeup tutorial with the products under Rs.500 except for the one. So without further ado, let's start the video. This is the Nourishing Overnight Lip Mask from Laneige. This nighttime mask acts like a nourishing lip balm to maximize hydration while gently slowing away the dead skin cells on the surface of the lips. Enriched with a blend of vitamin C and powerful antioxidants. And maybe because of this, it is one of the best sellers. It nourishes and regenerates chapped lips overnight. But for this video, I'm keeping it for a few minutes because I want my lips to be hydrated before applying the lipstick. This buttery texture lip mask contains coconut oil and shea butter. It retails for Rs.500 on Amazon. Next comes the sunscreen from Olly brand. It contains niacinamide, licorice extract and vitamin E acetate, which protects against sunburn, avoids inflammation and redness. The biggest advantage you'll find is doesn't leave any white cast and very lightweight. You'll get this for 449 rupees. I'm using the primer from Shryoan Cosmetics. You'll get this for 259 rupees and it is an illuminated skin primer that creates a smooth base for makeup application. It also blurs the pores and extends makeup wear. And if you're someone who's looking for a dewy makeup, then this primer is for you. I'm using the foundation from Cuffs and Lashes. You'll get this for 439 rupees and it is one of my favorite foundation because it gives an exact match to my skin. It is super comfortable formula, will make your skin feel super hydrated and natural. It is available in 18 complexion colors and 3 adjuster shades to customize the shades as per your needs. It also hydrates the skin, hides the blemishes and also reduces the pigmentation. And I'm in the shade 305 Golden Caramel. 3 pumps of the foundation was more than enough for me. And I'm evenly spreading it out all over my face for easy blending. I'm using the blender from Mars Cosmetics. The formula of this foundation is hydrating and long wear, which will last all day without cracking up and looks fresh all day long. And you can also see that it is easily blending, giving a natural finish to my skin. This brow kit from Mars Cosmetics offers everything you need for brow perfection. The sculpting wax sets brows in place while the smooth pigment powder fills and colors in brows. To finish the look, the reflecting highlighting powder creates strong arc definition. You need only 3 simple steps for the ultimate brow look. Can you just see the drastic difference? And I'm amazed and in love with this product. It creates brows that are fuller, thicker and more defined. It lasts all day long, gives lasting color, naturally beautiful look. It retails for Rs. 333 on Amazon. I'm using the compact powder in the shade 04 from Shryoan Cosmetics. It comes with 2 shades, one is lighter, another one is darker. And also they provide a sponge to easily blend the formula. It has a fine texture that sets your makeup and gives a flawless matte finish for long hours. It also helps to blur the pores and absorbs oil or sebum for a natural glow on your face. It is waterproof and available for all skin types. Here I am using this compact powder under my eyes to avoid the cakiness. You'll get this for Rs. 275 only. Next I am using the eyeshadow palette from DM Beauty. It has got 9 heated shades in one stunning palette. Among those, 5 high pigment matte formulas and 4 ultra fine blends of shimmer and metallic formulas. Personally, I don't think it should be on expensive side, which retails for Rs. 1099. But because of the pigmentation, the quality, they think it is worth the price. I'm using the red and the golden shade for my eyes. Next I'm using the liquid eyeliner from Cuffs and Lashes again, which are comfortable on the eyes, smudge and transfer proof and water resistant. The unique flexi tip applicator gives you plenty of grip to keep your hands sturdy so you can draw fine needle lines. This liner formula glides on smoothly and quickly dries and stays put for up to 6 hours. You'll get this for Rs. 260. For my lashes, I'm using the Lakme Iconic, which I think Rs. 460 is worthless. It is meant to separate and curls each lash and coat it from root to tip without clumping. But for me it is a big disappointment and waste of money. But if your lashes are less, you can go for it. Otherwise, I would not recommend this. It is smudge proof, tear proof and easily removable. since I bought it and I want to complete it, and that's why I'm using it. I recently got this PR from Cuffs and Lashes and I'm using the blush for my cheeks. It is of 220 rupees, very pigmented, easily blends the formula and gives you a natural look. This 8 shimmer highlighter palette from Shryoan Cosmetics is created with the help of natural ingredients to ensure our skin remains healthy and glowing. It is waterproof, easy to blend and highly pigmented, which retails for Rs. 249 only. Actually, there are two variants for this highlighter palette and I chose the second one because I think that one will suit me for my dark skin tone, and I'm using the shade golden one for my cheekbones. So next I'm removing the lip balm which I applied in the beginning for the hydration of my lips before applying the lipstick. But if you want a glossy look, you can keep it and you can apply the lipstick on it. But for me, I prefer the matte side more, and that's why I'm removing it. Next, Cuffs and Lashes. I think I'm boring you with this brand again and again, but trust me, the products are simply superb. You'll get most of the products under Rs. 500 and you don't have to worry about the quality as well. Coming to these liquid lipsticks, despite their appearance are usually not glossy, they apply as a liquid but they contain more oils and less wax than a traditional bullet lipstick. Then they dry down to an opaque, almost chalky matte finish. I'm using the shade Soho 07. It is waterproof and highly pigmented. You'll get this for 220 rupees. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this, and if you're someone who watches this kind of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel. Your support will mean a lot to me. And also like and share with your friends who are looking for the products under Rs. 500. And also I do share a lot of videos on hairstyles on Instagram. I'll mention the link in the description box below. Do follow that page as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Be safe.